Tesla also announces their unlimited overnight charging for $30 per month. Tesla announced it will soon launch a new plan for unlimited overnight charging as part of the Tesla electric energy retail business. Late last year, after gaining experience through its virtual power plants, Tesla took things a step further with the launch of Tesla Electric. Instead of reacting to specific events and providing services to your local electric utilities, as Tesla Powerwall owners have done in California, Tesla Electric is actively and automatically buying and selling electricity for Powerwall owners, providing a buffer against peak prices. Well, this is what we were talking about, efficiency. You're able to store it, which means you're able to get it at a more favorable rate, and then you can utilize it from that battery whenever you want at essentially whatever the rate that you paid, that favorable rate. Or in this case, you get a buy-sell situation going on, by the sounds of it, with the local power authority. The company is essentially becoming an energy retailer. It's currently only available to Powerwall owners in Texas, but the company has plans to expand the products through this new branch. Today, Tesla announced its first new product under the Tesla Electric. It was at Investor Day, and this is going to be the launch of unlimited overnight charging, $30 a month total. That seems extremely cheap, Will. You might be a customer for something like this in the future.
But I have to invest in a Powerwall, right?
Right.
Okay, there. That's a lot.
Well, get that baby in there. You're Mr. Elon Musk, aren't you?
I gotta get solar roof as well.
You're Mr. Yeah, and it doesn't work as well over here. You're gonna have to get up there and brush some of that snow off, Will.
Yeah.
You have to crawl up there. Maybe you can inspect my plumbing vent while you're at it.
Okay, fine.